Let me show you one of the coolest collaborations at the SuperShow Tampa 2023 January. This is the Winnebago Plus Adventure Wagon rig. Wait till you see this thing. We're gonna jump inside in a second, but I want to show you, this is a limited edition collaboration between Winnebago and Adventure Wagon, two almost kind of competing builders of vans. This is a 70 SE, exterior length is 22 feet 11 inches. What this is basically an open van. You can move things around using these L tracks. Limited edition, functional features, unparalleled versatility, Mercedes-Benz chassis, built for adventure with a lithium generator. Let's pop inside and show you this. I'd love to show you the floor plan, but there kind of isn't a floor plan. You can see two up in the typical Mercedes chassis. Here's a seat that is actually removable. L tracks everywhere, right? So the idea here is you decide what works best for you, and then you put in cabinetry, bedding, galley, refrigerator, porta potty, based on your needs. That's the lithium power plant, portable. Everything is customizable, and it's really, really different. And I'm really proud of Winnebago for trying something vastly different here. Again, take out the storage cabinets, put them in, put in a bed, huge bed, love the color. It's all pre-built by Adventure Wagon and Winnebago, and then you customize it as you so desire. Little water pump, sink, so it's very versatile, and that's the whole idea. Blank slate for you to start your van adventure. There's not even an air conditioner, just the fan. Now here at the show, this is the opening day, Wednesday the 18th of January. Pricing has not been determined yet, but you know, it's not a fully built out van, so it'll be kind of interesting to see where the price point comes in. Let me know what you think of this. It's really an interesting concept. I've never seen anything like it. And again, my hat's off to the Winnebago Class B team for trying something vastly new. It's gonna be a big hit or a big dud, I don't know. It's kind of cool. Maybe if you're a DIY person, but want to have a service network, a warranty, and everything that goes along with a manufacturer like Adventure Wagon or Winnebago, then this maybe gives you much of what the DIY wants with that big backup from a big company. The L tracks are embedded in the wall. This is a cloth covered but highly insulated wall below, and it goes all over the van. Ceiling, walls to floor. So again, you move things around as you so desire. Here's the Dometic ice chest, bolted, thumb screwed to the floor. Tons of garage space. So maybe you are a contractor by week, and this is filled with wallboard and ladders and paint and tools, and then in the weekend you reconfigure this and you load it up as a camper van for the family. Kayaks go in here, bikes go in here, rock climbing gear, load up your cabinetry inside the house, and then you move it into the van fully loaded, do your camping, and then you come back on a Sunday or a Monday, remove all this, and it's back to a contractor van. Maybe it's a real estate agent, mobile office, same idea. Let me show you outside quick. There's not a lot to see. There's no electric, there's no power, there's no sewer. There is one window cut in here, really limited badging. That's what it looks like from the back. Not a power bed, but a permanent bed on L tracks. Again, no plumbing, minimal badging, one window, and that's it. That is it on the outside. We'll have to keep in touch with the Winnebago team to see how this is going, how it's being adopted or not, and for price points and some other features as they probably change over time. This is the first release here, first look here at the Florida RV Super Show in Tampa. Show opens today. It's going to be crazy. We're putting a lot of videos out, and let me know what you think of this. Hey, if we're meeting for the first time, howdy. My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small, Live Large, all about the Class B travel experience. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Until we see you soon, I wish you to journey on, and peace be with you. We'll see you soon. So if you didn't notice, this is the same band, different configuration by moving the stuff around, which is the whole point.
It's a start, but it's a mighty puzzle to lay. No need to say, how will I cope? With your heart on your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go and losing control. So I take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my way. How will I call? How will I call? How will I call? I can't sleep, but